Welcome to the Android channel, and this is the Android news for Android and Google news for August the 21st, 2018, Tuesday. And today in our news, we have Google, a survey. We were talking this week about how there was a sense that employees at Google were unhappy about Google going to China. Well, a survey that was done internally upon Google employees seemed to contradict the general opinion. The survey says that 65% of its workers are content that Google will be and have a censored China search engine, and that for most of them, Google needs to be in China. Huawei was caught cheating. It's Android phone commercial that shows what seems to be or should be pictures taken from the camera of its latest phones. Well, a actor that has a social media account that was in the commercial actually said pictures were taken with a DSLR camera rather than a smartphone. A man in San Diego is suing Google after it was revealed that the location history feature of the Android smartphones, still tracks you even though it's off. And of course, this is one of the first probably that will be suing, because this affects millions of people, and it's going to be interesting to see what's going to happen. Well, if you use Gmail in the Gmail app in the Android phone, if you have the latest version, you might find that it will be very useful. For example, for those late night drunk emails that you might have sent, or simply because you sent it to the wrong person, or you regret sending an email that maybe is hurtful, you'll be able to unsend emails from the app now. Well, the latest version of, or the latest report of the Galaxy S10 possible phone next year is contradictable, because contradictable. Okay. With basically what's going to happen is that one report says it might be a foldable phone, another one says no, but everybody agrees on one thing, that next year might be the first foldable phone from Samsung, for sure. Well, who is this mysterious person in the Toronto subway or train that is actually using a Google Pixel 3 XL? It seems that this is not the first image, but last week there was a first image leaked. Now this week there's more images, and basically what's happening is that it seems that there's some guy that's actually using a Pixel 3 XL in the Toronto phone, and he doesn't know that he's creating all the big storm on the internet. And Google is improving and making it easier for instant apps. What's that? Well, instant apps, you might have already seen them. It's apps that you can actually interact, for example, a game, but you don't have to install it. So you might be able to play the game without having to download it. And it's to give you an idea of what the game looks like. So maybe you'll be interested in downloading it. And it's making it a little easier for that to happen. So these apps that you'll be able to play a level, for example, are going to appear and be easier for most developers that want to show off what they have to offer in their games. And this was the Android news for Tuesday, August the 21st, 2018. Enjoy our videos. Please subscribe. Give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.